We are in Vancouver, the city where urban and nature meets. We will show you our list of activities of all the things you can do and see in Vancouver. And let's start with the nature activities here in the Queen Elizabeth Park, where you have an amazing view over the city. So the first nature activity is the Grouse Grind Trail. This is a trail of 2.5 kilometers and it is up a hill, so it is quite hard. The trail itself is free, but if you want to go down, you can go down with a gondola, and that gondola is 15 Canadian dollars per person. So yeah, let's do this! Like, I thought we were in half or almost there. After 1/4 of the walk, the hike is getting really steep and really hard. You really have to climb up, so don't underestimate that. So we didn't really film a lot because it was kind of hard, but we made it in 1 hour and 20 minutes. So it was fun, but it was hard. So time for a protein shake now. We're now gonna take the gondola. In Vancouver, we met Tom. He was the best, funniest, and greatest guy of Canada. He took us on a true Canadian kayaking trip in Witchen Creek at the start of Pitt Lake.
Cheers! No boats on Sunday.
But it's a Sunday.
And it is. It's a lot of weight, eh?
Well, bye guys!
See ya! Hey, buddy! Come and catch up!
I'm winning!
I think your boat is faster. She's winning. What's with that? You need to get the cheese in there too. Woohoo! Home we come!
After the silence and the calm of nature, Vancouver also has a pretty awesome downtown to discover with loads of activities to do. So the first thing you can do here in downtown Vancouver is the Vancouver Lookout. Basically it's the big tower with the round circle around it. So when you bought your ticket, you go up in the elevator and then you have a nice view. So let's have a look. Well, of course you need to shop in every city, and in Vancouver the best way to do that is in Robson Street. Belgium. We ate at this lovely place, Poke M. So basically it's a poke ball kind of thing that you can assemble yourself, so you can choose your own ingredients, and it was really fresh, really good, and kind of cheap, because McDonald's would have been more expensive. Now we rented a bike to do a bike tour in Stanley Park. It's supposed to be really nice, so let's check that out. And since the helmets are, well, you have to wear a helmet in Canada. Here we go. That almost got me killed. When you want to do a bike ride in Stanley Park, a really beautiful park, then there are tons of bike rental shops here in the neighborhood. So just pick the one that you think has good bikes for you, for whatever that you want. We picked the one English Bay. Well, basically that wasn't for a reason, because they all have like the same bikes and things like that, but there are a lot of bike experiences available. We are now in Gastown. This is actually a really nice neighborhood to hang out in. You have nice local shops, great restaurants and bars, little boutiques to shop in, so it's really nice to hang out here in Gastown. You can also visit Granville Island, and basically it's an island full with food stands, trucks, all these food markets, and that's near the water, so it's a great place to hang out. Like in every city, also Vancouver has a Chinatown, which you can visit with nice Chinese food and nice Chinese little shops, gardens, etc. So let's have a look. When you are in Chinatown, there is this lovely park in which we are now, the Dr. Sun Yat-sen Park. And when you even have more time, you can go to the Chinese Botanical Gardens, which is located right next to this park. The Dr. Sun Yat-sen Botanical Classical Gardens, something like that. And the Botanical Garden is paid, that is 14 Canadian dollars per person. On our last night, we camped on this amazing spot alongside the Sea to Sky Highway with the help of our Canadian friend Tom. Vancouver was and is an amazing city. We will be back one day.